You might have gotten interested in crypto investing for the capital gains. But did you know that you can also earn passive income from holding crypto in a similar way to earning interest from a deposit by staking cryptocurrency you own and with some potentially impressive yields? In this video, I'll go through what staking is, how to choose a coin to stake, including the risks associated with staking, and whether earning passive income from staking coins is really that easy. This video is brought to you by I Dream of Money, the channel bringing you videos about business, economics, and money. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking on the like and subscribe buttons so you never miss out on a video to help you become a better investor. What is staking? The simple explanation of staking is that it means you are making your coins available for use in validating transactions on a blockchain, and in return you automatically earn crypto as payment for supporting the blockchain. However, to truly understand what staking means, you need to have a basic understanding of how cryptocurrency blockchains work. A key problem that decentralized blockchains have been trying to solve is how can you trust that the transactions that occur on it are genuine? The way this problem is solved is via what's known as a consensus protocol. This refers to how the blockchain goes about authenticating transactions by incentivizing users to validate transactions. Bitcoin famously uses a proof-of-work consensus protocol, which relies on computing power to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions on the network to earn rewards. The proof-of-stake consensus protocol, on the other hand, relies on the amount of coins you have. Those who have more coins have a higher chance of getting to validate transactions on the network. Staking only applies for coins which run on a proof-of-stake blockchain protocol, and we'll come to which coins run on proof-of-stake protocols in the next section. The next thing to note is that you can stake in two ways, either as a validator or a delegator. Validators generally have an active role to play in validating transactions by maintaining the most recent software and ensuring that they keep their computer running at all times to claim the rewards. Meanwhile, delegators are those who hold coins but who want to passively earn crypto, so they delegate their crypto to a validator and share in the rewards. One common question is how staking compares to lending cryptocurrency. Unlike lending, you haven't lent any coins to anyone, so you're not at risk of them not paying you back. And it's possible to stake without your coins ever leaving your wallet. However, as we'll go through in the next section, there are still risks involved with staking depending on how you go about it. So how do you choose a coin to stake? There are three key things to consider when choosing a coin to stake. As I mentioned before, you need to have a coin that is run using a proof-of-stake blockchain protocol. There are many coins which use a proof-of-stake protocol, including Tezos, Polkadot, Algorand, and Cosmos. Ethereum also recently switched from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake protocol, so staking rewards are now also available on Ethereum 2.0. You can find this information easily on the internet, including from a coin's website, white paper, or third-party information websites. The second thing to consider is the staking rules of that particular cryptocurrency. Some cryptocurrencies require you to lock up your coins for a period of time. If the coin has a lockup period, then you would need to wait out the agreed duration before being able to access your funds again. This can be a major drawback if you're not planning on holding long term. Certain cryptocurrencies also punish validators if they don't make themselves available or if they make a mistake by burning or confiscating their coins, known as slashing. Therefore, it's important to make sure you know the rules of the cryptocurrency to avoid being burned, or that you trust the validator that is staking on your behalf to abide by the rules. There are also minimum amounts of cryptocurrency you need in order to start staking. However, if you don't have enough coins, there may be a staking pool you can join, which accumulates crypto from multiple users and allows them to share in the staking rewards. The final thing to consider is the yield offered for that coin. Different platforms offer different yields, and yields can also change quickly. Further, because you are paid in crypto as a reward, you are also exposed to any price fluctuations in the coin itself, which may also impact your yield. For example, yields are typically represented as APY, or annualized percentage yield. If this doesn't change, this means that if you stake 100 coins and the APY is 5%, you should receive 5 additional coins over a year. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that you would get $5 from a $100 initial investment. If your coins were worth $1 each and are now worth only 80 cents each, then it follows that the 5 extra coins you received works out to have only earned you $4 rather than a $5 return. So how do you stake your coins? Binance and Coinbase, two of the largest crypto exchanges, both now offer staking solutions. It is often as simple as pressing a button to offer up any eligible proof-of-stake coins for staking. There are also specific staking as a service platforms, however, watch out for fees charged. You can even stake directly from a hardware wallet such as the Ledger. This is often a more complicated process than going through a platform and is typically for more advanced users than for beginners, but is more secure as you control your private key. In summary, if you feel that staking your coins could be a passive income option, it's incredibly important to choose a reputable staking platform rather than just going for the highest APY. Staking can be an incredibly easy way to earn some extra income, but as with any investment, there are risks involved. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about staking cryptocurrency and whether it's something you currently do or are thinking about doing in order to earn passive income. Thanks for watching, and until next time.